Here's the latest from the National Weather Service out of Grand Forks on our blizzard. This forecast just before 7 a.m. on this Saturday. Blizzard conditions will onset this morning as winds and heavy snowfall continue to increase. Heavy snowfall accumulations exceeding 6 inches will occur for most of the area, with the highest totals along and north of U.S. Highway 2. Isolated totals exceeding 12 inches are possible. Conditions will improve after sunset before additional snow impacts arise Saturday morning. The blizzard warning has now been extended until 1 p.m. Sunday for the Devil's Lake and Cheyenne River basins. For the Red River Valley, blizzard warning remains until midnight. Then a winter weather advisory goes into effect. A winter storm warning has been extended until 1 p.m. Sunday from Lake of the Woods to Minnesota Lake Country. And here's an overview. Details: snow expected through Sunday morning, heavy snow exceeding 6 inches. Snow currently ongoing in eastern North Dakota and will spread eastward into western Minnesota this morning. There will be a brief lull in impact Saturday evening before north winds increase Sunday morning. Impacts will increase again Sunday morning. That's the latest from the National Weather Service just before 7 a.m. on this Saturday. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.